Richard Scarry's Busy, Busy Construction Site. Welcome to the Busy, Busy Construction Site. Put on your hard hat and let's take a look around. The construction workers use all kinds of equipment to do their job. They dig, they dump, they lift, they load. That's how they begin to build. Some vehicles are very, very big. Some vehicles are small. Workers have arrived to finish building the new house. They used lots of different tools to do their work. These big, noisy machines crush big rocks into tiny gravel to prepare asphalt for the road. My, what a nice house the construction workers built. Maybe one day you'll be driving big construction vehicles. The end.